Hi friends, welcome to our channel ISRO Tweets. In this channel, I started especially for Indian space technologies and news about ISRO. So subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Access bell icon. Without wasting any time, let's go to our today's topic is Indian launch vehicles history from 1963 to 2020. Let's get started. The first satellite made by India is Aryabhatta. It launched by Soviet Union. After this launch, due to some diplomatic reasons, India decided to make its own launch vehicle. So India started research on making launch vehicles. In 1963, India launched a sounding rocket, which parts were carried by a bicycle and assembled at the church Tumba near Thiruvananthapuram. Now it's called as TERL, Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launch Station. After this launch, India made its first rocket called SLV in 1979, which stands for Satellite Launch Vehicle, which was four-stage solid fuel vehicle of weight 17 ton and height 22 meters and carrying a payload capacity of 40 kg to low Earth orbit. SL successfully carried Rohini series satellites to low Earth orbit. After successfully launches of SLV, India moves forward to advanced launch vehicles called ASLV, which is an upgrade version of SLV, which stands for Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle in 1983, which is much powerful than SLV. The construction and propulsion systems of ASLV and SLV are similar. ASLV has a capacity of carrying payload up to 150 kg to low Earth orbit up to 400 kilometers altitude. ASLV used to launch series of stretched Rohini satellites over a span of 7 years from 1989 to 1994. Due to its low success rate and low payload capacity, India moves forward to make a better launch vehicles and finally made PSLV, which stands for Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, which is a four-stage rocket in which first and third stage is solid fueled and second and fourth stage is liquid fueled, in which it carried a capacity of payload up to 1750 kg to low Earth orbit, as well as Sun synchronous polar orbit of 600 km altitude. PSLV is used for so many launches, more than 50. It carries a series of Indian remote sensing satellites and also history making missions, that is India's first lunar mission Chandrayaan 1 and India's first interplanet mission Mangalyaan. Due to its high success rate, India named it as working horse of ISRO. The PSLV has three variants: PSLV CA, PSLV G, PSLV XL, which has different payload capacities and parking orbit ranges. After this, India started to make a heaviest rocket which is more powerful than PSLV, that's called as GSLV, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, which is a large satellite launch vehicle developed by India, in ISRO. This is the fourth generation launch vehicle of three stage, which has a capacity of carrying payload up to 10 ton to low Earth orbit, 600 kilometers altitude, and also up to 4 ton to geosynchronous transfer orbit. GSLV has three variants: GSLV Mach 1, that is GSLV F10 and so on, and also GSLV Mach 2, GSLV Mach 3. GSLV Mach 3 makes a successful of second lunar mission of India, that is Chandrayaan 2. It successfully injected Chandrayaan 2 into the Earth parking orbit on 2nd July 2019 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. And also ISRO have another launch vehicle which is in under experimental stage, that is RLV, which stands for Reusable Launch Vehicle. RLV successfully completed its first test. It reached 65 kilometers up. Development of final version of RLV is expected. It takes few years. The fully developed RLV is expected to launch vertically as rocket to inject satellite to orbit and return to Earth by landing on runway. This is the history of Indian launch vehicles from 1963 to 2020. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe our channel.